This tutorial will show you how to upload shorts from PC online completely for free. If this helped, drop a like, share the video, and subscribe for more. Presets and effects for life, click the link down below and enjoy the tutorial. Okay, the first step to upload a shorts to YouTube from your PC, basically you want to have your short form content video, assuming it's already exported. Go to your search engine or browser and then type in youtube.com. And once youtube.com has been opened up and loaded, go to the top right hand screen and click create and then click upload videos, which should be the first option. Now basically you can drag or you can drop your video file or your short form video to upload to YouTube right here. Bada bing, bada boom. As you can see, we are now successfully uploading a short form video or short form content onto the YouTube social media platform completely for free.